Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and this week's finance video is about, is now the time to refinance? See, we all know interest rates are at record lows, so it's definitely worth considering refinancing if you're able to. So, is now the right time? If you answer yes to these three questions, it definitely may be worthwhile considering refinancing. The first question to answer is, are you on a variable rate or is your fixed rate about to end? If the answer is yes, fantastic. If the answer is no, for example, if your fixed rate still has a bit of time to go, it may be worthwhile staying with your current lender because there are fees to break your fixed loan. The second question to answer or to ask yourself is, do you have 20% or more equity in your house? And is your income stable? You see, when you're refinancing, you need to ensure that you're refinancing with enough equity in your house. Why? Because you don't want to pay lender's mortgage insurance. So your loan as a percentage needs to be 80% or less for it to be worthwhile. So ensuring that you have equity, 20% equity in your place. The other thing as well is ensuring that your income is stable. As you know, during this COVID period, a lot of people unfortunately have lost their jobs. But if your income is stable at the moment, then again, it's worthwhile considering refinancing. And finally, the third question to answer is, are you able to keep your current repayments with the new lender? You see, remember, when you refinance, your term reverts back to a 30-year term. And so if you're able to keep your current repayments that you're paying right now, when you refinance, you'll pay off your loan a lot faster because the interest rate is a lot lower. So if you're able to keep the existing repayments, then yes, absolutely, it may be worthwhile considering refinancing. So again, the three questions to ask yourself is, number one, are you on a variable rate or your fixed rate is about to end? Number two is that you have 20% at least equity in your house and your income stable. And finally, the third thing to answer is, are you able to keep your current repayments? If you've answered yes to all those questions, then it might be worthwhile considering refinancing. And if it is, I'll strongly suggest what you to do is to sit with your broker, and they'll be able to provide you with the right strategy, the right loans for you to put you in a better position than you are right now. That's it from me. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear your comments. Write them below. If you need assistance when it comes to anything mortgage related, if you like some information about refinancing or rates available in the market, leave your contact details below, and happy to assist where we can. And finally, remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next time. Bye-bye.